rev up your engines. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ABS problems on your own car yourself. Now, I've been a mechanic for the last 51 years, and as a professional mechanic, I have very expensive scan tools. This particular one costs about $5,000, and it accesses data and testing for the anti-lock brake system of your car. I like showing people how they can fix their own cars. So I checked out a whole bunch of smaller level scan tools, and I found that this one, the Creator 7, it does ABS problems. It only costs about $120 if you price around on the internet. You just get the business end of the plug on the scan tool, go to the bottom where the data port is, and plug it in. Then it starts analyzing. We'll just go into diagnose, then into scan. This is an infinity. Now it's going through all the various systems to check it out, and we're working on ABS, so we'll go to ABS and turn it on. Now it's reading the ABS system. You can get the information off the computer if you need a computer, the data number. You can read the fault data, you can erase the fault data after you fix it, and you can read current data, as you can see here. And as you can see while we drive around, it shows you the speed of all the speed sensors to see if there's a problem, if the data is correct or not, so you can find out if you have a bad wheel speed sensor. And believe me, it's a hard thing trying to find a scan tool for $120 that's going to give you that kind of information. But of course it doesn't stop there. Here's the ABS module. It's all computer run. If there's a problem in the solenoid or something in there and it trips the ABS light, this baby can read the code and explain what the code is. It can show you if the stop lamp's working, if the relay's working, if the actuator's working, if the ABS warning light is on or off, if any of the solenoids are on or off and not working. I do have to say that I've never found a scan tool that's about $120 when you price around on the internet that can do all that stuff with ABS systems. Now, sure, my $5,000 scan tool, it's been able to do that kind of stuff for years, but for $120, realize most mechanics these days, professional ones that work on your car, they charge anywhere from $100 to $150 an hour labor for working in your car. So really, $120 for a machine that can do all this with ABS and also all the other scan codes, pretty good deal if you ask me. Now, even if you're not going to fix your car yourself, hey, you get one of these, hook it up, you can tell the mechanic, oh, my left rear wheel sensor's going out. I need that replaced. You get it fixed correctly, not get ripped off, because you know what's wrong, you just don't want to fix it yourself. Because realize on many modern cars, the wheel speed sensor is often built into a wheel bearing assembly. You might have to change the whole axle assembly to fix it. You might not want to do all that work yourself, but at least you know what the problem is, and then you can price around to see who has the best price to fix it for you. And if you are going to fix it yourself, you can find the problem, fix the problem, then reset the system with this so the light goes out, and then road test it and make sure that it's all working. And to top it all off, it's a full scan tool too. It does live data, does all kinds of stuff, give you all kinds of information to fix things besides your anti-lock braking. I just decided to make a video about how you can fix your own ABS with this system, because I have to say, I haven't found a scan tool out there for $120 or even close to that price that can give you information on the ABS system like this does. And since this is Mechanic Monday, I'm giving one of these Creator 7 Pluses away. To have a chance to win, just place a clean, non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below, and a winner will be chosen randomly by computer to get a nice scan tool so they can even fix their own anti-lock brake system problems. And with all these sirens going on around me, there's something bigger than anti-lock brake problems going on in my neighborhood today. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.